Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your MacBook. First, ensure your printer is powered on and has sufficient ink. For the simplest connection, plug your printer directly into your MacBook using a USB cable. Your Mac should often detect it automatically. Also, make sure your Mac OS is updated to the latest version for best compatibility. This initial setup is quick and easy. For a wireless connection, first ensure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook. Then, open System Settings on your Mac and click on Printers and Scanners. Look for the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax button, usually represented by a plus sign. Click it, and your Mac will search for available printers on your network. Select your printer from the list to add it. Mac OS typically installs the correct printer drivers automatically, especially for AirPrint-compatible models. However, if you encounter issues, visit your printer manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your specific model. Many common problems can be resolved by simply restarting both your printer and your MacBook. This often refreshes the connection and clears minor glitches. You can share your printer across your network, allowing other devices to print to it. To do this, enable printer sharing in your Mac's sharing settings. Also, setting a default printer in Printers and Scanners ensures your preferred device is always selected, saving you time. You can choose a specific printer or have it default to the last one used. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.